man, you look so boring. Oh no, please do not say this in English. This is extremely rude. The first common speaking mistake is the one you just heard. Boring versus bored. It's understandable that these words are a common mistake because they both have a similar meaning. They talk about something or someone that's not interesting. But the difference comes in how we use them grammatically. The word boring is for something or someone that's not interesting. That movie was boring. Ugh, I went on a date with him and he was so boring. He just talked about sports the whole time. It's not a compliment. But the word bored refers to the feeling you have when you watch that boring movie or when you go on that boring date, you feel bored. So at the beginning of this lesson, when I said, oh man, you look so boring. Oh no, that's not nice. It means you're not interesting. Instead, I should have said, oh man, you look so bored. It means you're not doing anything fun. You feel like you need some more fun in your life. I feel bored. Let's look at a couple sample sentences. This documentary about sand is boring. I feel so bored. Can we please watch something else? I was so bored during that lecture. To me, physics is just boring. Sorry, people who like physics. So now I have a little quiz for you. I want you to choose, is the word boring or bored the best fit for this sentence? Vanessa's lessons are not. I never feel. What's the correct answer here? I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Vanessa's lessons are not boring. I never feel bored. Oh, I hope that's true. Common speaking mistake number 2 is one that native English speakers make too. It is well versus good. Have you ever heard someone say, I don't feel good? You know what? That's a mistake. Instead, it should be, I don't feel well. What's the difference? Let me tell you. The word well is an adverb. That means it adds something to the verb. So when you say, I don't feel well, well is talking about how you feel. I don't feel well. I have a headache. I have a stomach ache. I need to go lie down. If you said, I don't feel good, this means that my sense of touch is not good. Maybe you burned your fingers. Yeah, I just don't feel good anymore. It's a very unusual thing to say. So instead, when you're talking about your health, you can use this correctly and say, I don't feel well. What about the word good? Well, the word good